Okay, now let's add our ceiling. So let's go to our high roof ceiling. So notice that there's a plan for the ceilings and the floor plan for the standard or regular floor plan. So ceiling plans actually is a reflected ceiling plan. So it looks up instead of looking down. So here, let's add an underlay. Let's see, underlay ground floor and looking up. There you go. And make sure that since we have an underlay, you do want to maybe select the underlay. So turn this on, select underlay elements. So you should not have that X mark there. Okay, so from here, we're going to add a ceiling. So architecture, ceiling. So we have here a compound ceiling 600 by 1200. Okay, GWV on metal stud. You can always edit that and change the thickness or finish material. And likewise, you can change the, see what else can you change? Thickness. Cancel here. And then you can change the height. Okay. So this is from your high roof. So let's say from our low roof, and the height will be, let's say, 3000. Or from our ground, 3000. Okay. So if you have a room that's enclosed, so you can use an automatic ceiling sketch, and there you go, you have your ceiling. So that's 3000 from the ground. So let's cut a section here, or let's go to our ground floor view. I do know that we have a section here, so there's our section. Okay, and if you measure this from the ground, that should be your 3000. So if you want this to be higher, of course, let's say to about maybe here, so that should be around 5700. Okay, 5800, 57. Okay, so I can just simply select this and change that to 5700. Okay, maybe bring this up to that level. So unconnected, let's bring that up to our high roof. Here you go. Okay, so let's go back to our ground floor. Let's just go to our ground floor ceiling plan instead of the high roof. I think that's a better place to be in when we're creating our ceiling. So again, architecture, ceiling, let's select that material. Since this is the interior, we can just select or choose a lower value. 3000 might be okay. Sketching the ceiling is similar to drawing the ceiling by using either a line tool, or you can pick lines or pick walls. So same technique. Okay, here you might need to trim the excesses and click OK. Now let's do the same here. Ceiling automatic select at 3000. So that's how you add your basic ceiling.